How to add an alert and second alert to calendar events on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's return back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Then on the home screen, open up the calendar app. Now in here, you can create a new calendar event or you can edit an existing calendar event. So here I will open up this IT Jungle's repeat event. And as you do that, tap on the edit button. Then in here, we scroll down and in the alert section here, tap on alert for the first alert. In here, you can change the time to 5 minutes, 50 minutes before, or 1 hour before, even 1 day before, or 2 days before. So that's up to you when you want to set it. So let's say if I want to set it to 1 hour before, so that my calendar will remind me 1 hour before the event. So there is another one, is the second alert. So you can tap on second alert. And here it has the option time to leave, none, or default 1 hour before. Or you can set it to say 1 day before, or maybe 50 minutes before. So because the first one is already, the first alert is 1 hour before, so you can set the second one to 1 day before, 50 minutes before, and then tap on done. And then you can save for this event only, or you can save for the repeated events. So here I will choose for this event only. And that's it. So that is how you can add or change the alert time for the first alert and second alert on the iPhone 16 series. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.